This is a video tutorial for the Happy Days Ralph fabric book cover. The video will show you how to make a Ralph fabric book cover for a standard A5 diary. The pattern will show you how to make a Ralph book cover for any size book you wish. And this is what you'll need. One piece of fabric, overlock all the way around. If you haven't got an overlocker stitch, use your zigzag stitch. Next, draw a line 2 centimetres in from the edge, and I'm going to repeat it for the other side as well. Make sure that this is a heat erasable pen. Next, we're going to be folding on these 2 lines. I've folded the edges and pressed. Next, draw a line 2.5 centimetres from the edge and do the same for the top. And as we did before, we're going to take it over the iron and fold on this line and this line. I've folded and pressed for a nice sharp crease. Measure 5 centimetres in from the edge and draw a line, and do the same for this side. I'm now going to fold on these 2 lines and press. I've folded it and pressed it. Turn it over and then open everything out. I've turned it over, and now using the crease line that we made, I'm going to fold that back and add a clip. That's why it's important to have nice sharp creases, because they show you where to clip. Put that one on. Now, using your heat erasable pen, draw a line along this crease line and the same along the crease line here, along the crease line here, use a ruler, and finally along the crease line here. Next, we're going to take it over the sewing machine and, starting right on the fold edge there, sew across your line you've just drawn, the same along here, same at the top, and lastly along there and stop. I've sewn along each of the lines I drew. I'm going to turn it the right way out, and to do that, put your hand in, push through, and this side. My nails are a bit too long for this. And then carefully, using a chopstick or whatever you use, push your corners out carefully and press. I've pushed out each corner and I've pressed, and now we're going to put our book in. I popped one side of my diary in, and now I'm going to pop the other side in. And that's your Happy Days Ralph A5 book cover all finished.